Hello, everyone. I am Alex. Welcome to White Eagle. I am very happy to be here with you today. Today, we will learn about your home, your apartment. This lesson is for absolute beginners. We will use simple words, very simple English. Are you ready? Let's start. Do you have a new home? A new room? Let's learn simple words to talk about your apartment in English.
I have a new apartment. Say it with me. I have a new apartment. Repeat after me. I have a new apartment. Good.
What does I have a new apartment mean? It means I live in a new place, a new home. My home is an apartment. An apartment is a type of home. It is a place where people live. Many people live in apartments. So my apartment is new. It is not old. It is a new place for me to live.
My apartment. My new home. I have a new apartment. This is very good news.
Do you understand new apartment? New means fresh, recently made or bought, not old. Apartment means a home in a building. So, a new apartment is a home you have now, and it is fresh. It is not an old home.
My apartment is new. It is a new home. Very good. Let's practice one more time. I have a new apartment. Excellent.
Now, let's talk about the rooms in an apartment. Every apartment has rooms, many rooms inside. Let's learn the names of these rooms. These are important words. First room. The living room. Say it with me. Living room. What is a living room? It is a room for living. We relax here. We sit on a sofa here. We talk with friends or family here. This is the living room. It is often the biggest room. My apartment has a living room, a very nice living room.
We relax in the living room. We watch TV in the living room. The living room is an important room for relaxation.
Next room. The bedroom. Say it. Bedroom. What is a bedroom? It is a room for sleeping. We sleep in a bed. The bed is in the bedroom. This room is for rest. I have one bedroom in my apartment. My bedroom is for sleeping. It is a quiet room. So, living room for relaxing. Bedroom for sleeping. Good. Next room. The kitchen. Say it. Kitchen. What is a kitchen? It is a room for cooking food. We cook dinner. We cook breakfast. We use a stove and an oven in the kitchen. We sometimes eat food in the kitchen too, at a small table. My apartment has a kitchen, a nice kitchen for cooking many meals. The kitchen is where we make our food. It is a very useful room. Last room. The bathroom. Say it. Bathroom. What is a bathroom? It is a room for washing. We wash our hands here. We take a shower or a bath here. It is for personal hygiene. My apartment has one bathroom, a clean bathroom. We use the bathroom every day. So, to review the rooms, we have the living room, the bedroom, the kitchen, and the bathroom. 4 important rooms in an apartment. Repeat all 4 names with me. Living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom. Fantastic! You are learning very well. Now, let's talk about furniture. What is furniture? Furniture is the big things inside the rooms. Things like beds, sofas, tables, chairs. These are furniture.
We put furniture in our rooms. It makes our rooms comfortable and useful. Let's learn some simple furniture words.
First, the bed. Say it. Bed. Where is the bed? The bed is in the bedroom. We sleep on the bed. It is for rest. I have a bed in my bedroom. A big bed. A very comfortable bed.
The bed is very important for sleeping well.
Next, the sofa. Say it. Sofa. Where is the sofa? The sofa is in the living room. We sit on the sofa. We relax on the sofa. My living room has a sofa. A soft sofa. The sofa is for sitting and relaxing in the living room. Next, the table. Say it. Table. Where is the table? A table can be in the kitchen or in the living room. We put things on the table. We eat food at the table. I have a table in my kitchen and a small table in my living room. Tables are useful for many things. For eating, for working, for putting books. Last, the chair. Say it. Chair. Where is the chair? Chairs are usually with a table. You sit on a chair. I have 4 chairs in my kitchen. My chairs are around the table. I also have 1 comfortable chair in my bedroom. So we have bed, sofa, table, chair. These are common pieces of furniture in an apartment. Repeat these words with me. Bed, sofa, table, chair. Very good work. Now, let's describe our apartment. We use simple words to tell about it. These words are called adjectives. Adjectives tell us more about a thing. First adjective, big. Say it. Big. Big means large, not small. My living room is big. It is a big room. My bed is big too. A big bed for sleeping. Big means much space. Next adjective, small. Say it. Small.
Small means little, not big. The opposite of big. My kitchen is small. It is a small kitchen. My table in the living room is small. A small table. Small means little space.
So we have big and small. Very useful words. Next adjective, new. Say it. New. New means not old. It is fresh. My apartment is new, a new home. My sofa is new. I bought it last week, a new sofa. This means it is not old. It is just bought or just made.
Next adjective, nice. Say it. Nice. Nice means good. Pleasant. My apartment is nice. It is a very good apartment. My bedroom is nice. It is a nice room to sleep in. We use nice when we like something. It is good.
So, we can use these adjectives: big, small, new, nice. These words describe rooms and furniture. Repeat them with me. Big, small, new, nice. Excellent work. Now, let's learn how to ask about location. We ask, where is it? Say it with me. Where is it? This question asks about the place of something. It means the thing we are asking about. For example, where is the bed? And we answer with simple location words. First, we can say in. In means inside. Example, where is the bed? Answer, it is in the bedroom. The bed is inside the bedroom. Another example, where is the sofa? Answer, it is in the living room. The sofa is inside the living room. We can also say near. Say it. Near. Near means close, not far away. Example, my apartment is near the park. It is close to the park. Where is the table? It is near the sofa. The table is close to the sofa. We can also say next to. Say it. Next to. Next to means beside, right by. Example, the chair is next to the table. The chair is beside the table. So, we ask, where is it? And we answer, it is in the room. It is near something. It is next to something.
Let's practice asking and answering. Where is the kitchen? It is in the apartment. Where is the bathroom? It is near the bedroom. Where is the chair? It is next to the table. Very good. You are now learning to talk about locations in your home.
Today, we learned many simple and important words to talk about your home, your apartment. Let's review quickly. We learned how to say,
I have a new apartment. This is your new home. We learned about rooms, living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom. We learned about furniture, bed, sofa, table, chair. We learned adjectives to describe big, small, new, nice. And we learned to ask and answer. Where is it? It is in. It is near. It is next to.
This vocabulary is very useful for talking about daily life. These are basic English words for beginners. Practice these words every day. Speak them aloud. Look at your own home and say the names of the rooms. Say the names of the furniture. Describe them with new words. Say, my bed is big, or my kitchen is small.
Learning English takes time, but with practice, you will speak English very well. You are doing a great job today. Keep practicing. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Now, a question for you. What do you have in your room? Tell me one thing. Write it in the comments below. Subscribe to White Eagle for more easy English lessons about daily life. See you next time.